Welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I'll share with you coconut eggplant recipe without onion garlic. For making coconut eggplant recipe, I have taken 3 long eggplants. Cut the eggplants in the middle. You can make the same recipe with green eggplant. Now take 2 pieces together and cut into big slices. Pieces should be similar. Prepare 3 green chili. Cut the green chili into rings. Keep aside few curry leaves and green chili. In a grinder jar, add 15 to 20 coconut pieces, grind it. Turn on the heat, put a kadai, add 4 tablespoons cooking oil. After oil is hot, add half a teaspoon cumin seed and half a teaspoon mustard seed along with sliced green chili and curry leaves. Saute for few seconds until it fragrant, then add pieces of eggplant. Turn to high heat and stir well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add a teaspoon salt and a teaspoon turmeric powder, a teaspoon coriander powder. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid. Give a good mix. Add a big teaspoon curd and the ground coconut. Whenever you will grind the coconut, don't make it paste. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid. Well combine the ingredients. Eggplant pieces should be well fried with the coconut. Stir continuously for 2 minutes. In this recipe, I will not add red chili powder. This recipe goes well with green chili and coriander leaves. Sprinkle few coriander leaves. Without coriander leaves, this recipe is incomplete. Give a good mix and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes over medium to low heat. Yummy eggplant coconut recipe is done. Serve it with fulka roti. If you think this video is helpful, like, share and subscribe.